What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my show. I'm Mr.UCNJ or Will or Gus, whatever you want to call me, and I'll be talking to you today about loans. So you're thinking about buying a house and you don't know what's your first step. Before getting out there and looking for houses and looking at houses and getting our hopes up, first we have to make sure we're pre-approved. You got to connect with a local lender and make sure that all your papers and your numbers are in place so you could get approved, and so that way we can know what is your number, what is going to be your price range, what are you going to be approved for, how much are you going to be approved for. Like I mentioned in my video before about renting, it should pop up around here if I did this right. Credit score does play a big role as well with this. So if you do need some credit repair, let me know and I'll connect you with a good friend of mine, okay? So I'm sure you have all heard of the FHA loan and the conventional loan. And you might be wondering, what are the differences? Now, I'm not gonna get too deep into this. I'm gonna just go over it very briefly. You'll see that it's very brief. If you do have any questions, leave me a comment, send me a DM, whatever. Hit me up on TikTok, hit me up on Instagram, and I'll recommend you a lender that you can speak to. The FHA loan, the Federal Housing Administration loan, also known as the first-time homeowners or first-time buyer loan. The FHA loan is very popular with people like you. Yep, you. You're the one that's planning to buy a home right now, your first home, your first property. This loan is very popular among the first-timers. Why is it popular? Well, it's popular because it's targeted to low to moderate income borrowers. You have to have minimum 580 credit score to qualify for a down payment of 3.5%. Yep, you could make a down payment of 3.5% on your first home. Not that 20% that you always hear about. You could do 3.5, just as long as you meet a 580 credit score. Now, I would say speak with the local lender so you can verify this information, being that some things may have changed due to COVID. If your credit score is between 500 to 579, then you're not going to qualify for that 3.5%, but you may qualify for a 10% down payment, which is still better than 20%. A little thing to know is that the FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, they do not give you the loan. They don't provide the loan. They actually guarantee you the loan through a FHA approved or certified lender or lending institution. Now with the FHA, you will be required to purchase mortgage insurance and make premium payments. Now really quick about the conventional loan, that one you require 620 credit score. Again, verify with your local lender and make sure that information is correct because things may change as they go due to COVID. Now believe it or not, you can actually do a 3% down payment on a conventional. I know people are used to hearing that conventional loans is only 20%, but you can do a minimum of a 3% down payment. In order to qualify for that, again, reach out to your local lender. I'm not a lender, so I cannot give you information that's too specific. I could just give you this very general information, and then you go ahead and connect with a lender, which they will be able to tailor a loan to your needs. Now, with a conventional loan, you do not have to purchase mortgage insurance. Another thing is that with the conventional, you have different options in regards to loan terms. So you could do 10, 15, 20, or 30-year term for your mortgage. Whereas with the FHA, you can only do a 15%. You can only do a 15 term mortgage or a 30 term. And that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. I'm sorry if it's short. I'm sorry if you want to know more information, but this is just to touch very briefly about the loans so that way you have an idea that you may be eligible for something when you really thought you wouldn't be able to get it. Now, if you do have any more questions, you want to go deep into this, please leave me a comment, send me a message, and I'll connect you with a professional which will be able to help you in taking the next step to getting your first home. All right? Other than that, thank you for your support. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, even if it's to say that you like it or you don't like it, whatever it is, Let me know what your thoughts are. Subscribe to the channel and make sure to share this with somebody that you think might be able to get value from it. Again, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. And hit me up on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yep, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one.